how to create a stunning outline makeup effect using the PicsArt app. So let's dive right in. So the first thing that you'll need to do in here is head onto your App Store or Play Store onto your device. Now search PicsArt and then right after install it. So once it is installed, just simply click onto it and right after simply create an account. So you'll have the options in there to continue with Google or Facebook, or you could just simply log in or sign up with your email or password. Now once you have chosen an account, you need to select the photo that you want to add the outline makeup effect to. Now right after, here onto the bottom part, there are different options in here or different tools that you could use. So you'll just need to scroll down in there and find the draw button. Now let's zoom in our portrait in here for a clearer view. And then right after, we'll choose a color onto what we'll use onto its eyeshadow. Then right after you have some brush settings in there, you'll just need to simply adjust it as per your liking. And then right after, just draw automatically onto the bare face. Now you don't have to worry regarding the excess in there since we have a tool into the bottom part which is an eraser. So we're just going to remove the excess makeup that are overlapping. Now right after, you'll just need to head onto the bottom part and click onto blend. And onto the blend, there are different options. You'll just need to choose soft light in there and apply this to all of the layers. Now right after, you'll just need to repeat the same process onto every other makeup that you want to outline onto the bare face in there. And then what you'll need to do is then you could also add in some lipstick or some creative things onto the face. Now once you're satisfied, simply click onto apply and click onto the download button onto the upper part. Now right after, you'll just need to add in some hashtags so that you could post your photo. Then right after, just simply click onto post, and right after you should be able to see some of the sharing options also in there, and you should be able to see your photo already posted in there. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe for more PicsArt tips and tricks. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video tutorial for you